Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you've joined me here today at Friar Avenue, this superb 5-bedroom executive home in the most desirable part of Leamington, CB32. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fantastic property. You've joined me outside in a good sized garden which can be landscaped to your own taste. We're surrounded by fields at the back, so it's extremely peaceful and quiet. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.